Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be analyzing some of the stocks which we can look for going forward. Okay. So here, if you see, this is a daily chart of Amrutanjan Healthcare. Okay. The current market price is 338. Okay. So let me first try to draw the Fibonacci from this low to this high. Okay. So now the golden ratio comes to somewhere around this level, which is 323. Okay, now let me get rid of this. So the golden ratio comes to somewhere around 323, and we made a low of somewhere around, I guess, 319, 320. Right? Now, if you see, if you see, this level is coinciding with the demand zone: red, blue, green, green, drop, base, rally, rally, which is coinciding with the golden ratio of Fibonacci 1. Current market price is 338. The level was 324. So it is still near the demand 1. Other thing is, since it is retracing from 61.8, I need to plot a target. I need to plot a target. So for me, the target is coming, the first target is coming somewhere around 506, 507, 1. Let me get rid of this. And now if you see, if I extend this line, if I extend this line, it is coinciding with my supply zone, which is green, blue, red, red, which is rally, rally, base, drop, drop. Okay, it is coinciding with my supply zone. So here, if you see, golden ratio was coinciding with demand zone, and we got a retracement as of now, and supply zone is coinciding with the final target of my, I wouldn't say it's a final target, but at least it's a first target for me, which is coinciding with my supply zone. So I'll take it somewhere around here like this. Okay, 503, 506, 1. Another thing, now I need to see, is it going to go like this right now? No, ideally it won't go like that. So if I say boring candle, and if you see here, there is a gap, there is a gap. And if I say red, blue, red, red, which is drop, base, drop, drop. So I'm expecting this gap to be filled first. Okay, which will take this prices to somewhere around this level, which is 389, 390. Okay, 1. Another thing, let me draw a Fibonacci from this to this level. If I draw Fibonacci from this to this, so it is almost near to the golden ratio again, right? So I would say if it is filling a gap, we can book profit somewhere around here. So again, it is for booking your partial profits. In case if you are getting a close about this level, which is let's say for me it is somewhere around 400. So in case if we are closing above 400, we can again initiate fresh long, or we can take partial profits over here, and then once we get a close above 400, we can again initiate a fresh long. This is one. There's also a gap which was filled last time, and here, so I'm expecting Amrutanjan to touch ultimately 500. But first, this is the level which it will touch, which is 390, 90 somewhere around. And then at that time, we can again look for if it has created any demand or supply somewhere around here. Okay, this is one thing. Other is, let me get rid of this. And now the current market price is 338. So should I go long at current market price? We can see that ideally I never go long on current market price. I always look for the nearby levels where I can go long. So on daily chart, I don't have any. Okay, on daily chart, I don't have any. On hourly chart, also, I don't have any level wherein I can go long. Okay. Okay, just to show you, since I have spotted this green, blue, red, red, it touched the level and then it gave a fall. but we are not looking for that. uh, okay, so the demand was this. In case if we are getting a retracement, i would I would like to initiate along somewhere around here, which is 329. So let's say consider it as, let's say, 330 level. So 330 would be the level wherein you can go long. 330 is the level wherein you can go long, and the stop loss for the trade you can consider the low of this candle, which is 323. So let me go on to here. Okay, so the stop loss which you can consider is this level, which is, let's say, 313. So 330. So let me write it down over here. Buy at 330. Stop loss is somewhere around 311. Target looks 390 and 503, right? And let me also write it down. Current market price is 338. So this is the level. Current market price is 338. Buy at 330, stop loss 311, and target is 390,503. If you calculate, it is somewhere around like 50% if we are getting this first target, which is 500. So somewhere around 50%. But again, we can look for first target, which is 390, somewhere around 390. Okay, so this was Amrutanjan on daily chart. Okay, you can again check for your levels and see what is your strategy. In case if you can share your strategy also. Let's see. Larson and Kudrow. Okay, so now again boring candle. If I see, this was the supply zone, this was the supply zone, and this was the stop loss. If you see, this was the supply, so for aggressive entry was this, which is the lower wick, which is the lower wick of this candle, lower wick of this candle. Let's say, let me draw a circle over here. So this is the one which I'm looking for. Rally, base, drop, drop, there was a fall, there was a touch, and again there was a fall. Okay, this is one thing. Another thing another thing is somewhere around here. So if I say my boring candle, red, blue, red, red. Okay, red, blue, red, red, this is the line. It touched, it gave a fall, again it touched, it gave a fall, 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 right? So this is one. Hmm, just a moment, let me get rid of now this. Now if I try to draw Fibonacci on this daily chart, and if I try to see somewhere around here like this, so this is the level which I am looking for, which is 50%. So it gave a close above 80. Right now the current market price is 905. So in case if we are getting a retracement at this level, which is 841, you can initiate a long by keeping a stop loss of 807. You can initiate a long by keeping your stop loss as 807. So that was the, again, I'm not going to buy at current market price. The reason, because I have not yet closed about this stop loss, because this stop loss and again this stop loss. So before initiating fresh long, I would wait for this to, I would wait for the price to close above this level one. And the other, in case if the prices are coming at this level again, once, let's say, or maybe let's say consider that we are getting something around like this, we can initiate a long. So for me, 841 would be the buy level, 807 would be the stop loss. And and if I need to check for the target, then let me check for the extension, which is somewhere around. Okay, so the first extension, the target which I'm getting is 1077, 1155. Okay, again I will get rid of this, draw boring, and then see there is a gap. Again there is a gap, so there are high chances that we may reach this level, which is 1076. and then we can see, we will revise the target. But as of now I feel that you can initiate a fresh long at 841, and you can look for 1076 as the first target, and then the next target would be 1155. So that is the level. Let me to biocon go on to biocon and see. So this is the level which I have already marked. So as of now, if you see, 337 is the buy level, 320 is the stop loss. There are four candles which is still okay with me, but today's candle is red. In case if I'm getting another red candle, in case if I'm getting another red candle over here, I'm going to ignore this trade. I'm going to ignore this trade. The reason behind it is I have a blue candle over here. In case I'm getting a red candle, and this is a very good leg out candle, so in case if I'm getting a red candle over here, that would make this as drop, base, drop, drop, which would make this as a supply zone. And whenever you feel that you have a overhead supply, so the risk reward ratio for this trade would be invalidated. So ideally this demand won't work, right? So the next demand which we can check for is this, which is way too far, which is way too far, right? So again, the price action of the next candle, which is maybe let's say tomorrow's candle, would be the important one. So in case if we are not okay, in case if we are closing below this level, this is the level where we can go long. Again, there is a gap, so the gap obviously will be filled, and then there is a demand, which is very good demand. Red, blue, green, green, right? So 285. So there are chances in case if we see profit booking, there are chances, but as of now we can't say because we still have one good demand over here, right? Let's see, I'm not sure whether we have anything. Okay, again it is coinciding, green, 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 but then there are so many boring candles. So but then again it is coinciding with demand, so that's okay. On hourly chart, okay, on hourly chart we don't have anything. On hourly chart we don't have anything. So that's it. So we'll check for the price action for Biocon and see what's in it. Okay, there was one trade which I had given, Torrent Pharma. Okay. Thing is, I was expecting Torrent Pharma to not close below this level, to not give a close below this level, but unfortunately, it closed below this level. So that's completely okay because as of now, there's one level, this level, which is not yet broken. That was the initial stop loss which I had given. In case if the stop loss is getting hit, even I will take exit from my trade. Okay, I'm not going to hold my trade in case if Torrent Pharma is closing below this level. One. Another thing, if you see, is there's a very, very, very good demand zone. There is a very good demand zone. So in case if you don't want to book loss, what you can do is you can wait for this level and you can again initiate, because this is very good. Green, two blue candle, green, green, green. There was a huge gap. Gap will be definitely filled, right? So this is one. The concern for me as of now looks like this is a supply which is formed, and this is a very fresh supply. But good thing is the leg out candle, this one is very small and this one is very big. So there are high chances that we can again go up, and let's see, right? So there was a good news on Torrent Pharma. The result was very good, but then we saw this profit booking, right? So they always says that sell on good news, buy on rumors. So that's the case it seems, because I'm not watching any news, but then I got to know that there was a good news on Torrent Pharma. There was no reason for stock to go below this level, but unfortunately it gave a close. So that's completely okay. uh, get a trailing stop loss, or your stop loss is getting hit, that is part of this buying and selling. So again, the initial stop loss is not yet hit. So let's see. Hoping that it should not hit because it is not far away from this low. As of now, current market price is 2357. So in case if it is closing below this level, you can take exit, you can take exit. But if you hold, because I'm planning to hold, I'm not going to, actually I was thinking to take exit, but then still it looks good for me because even there is this low, and in case if we are breaking this low, then we may fall till this level, which is 2000 level, right? But then let's see whether we are getting hit with this first initial stop loss. Okay, and we have very good demand, so we can again average for the next up move. So as of now this looks good. I can consider this as a bearish candle, kind of bearish engulfing rally base drop. Okay, but let's see, hoping that it should reverse back. Okay, and let's see, I will update you on Torrent Pharma. Again, since I am here, let me also open Tech Mahindra because I have given a trade on Tech Mahindra, and I have also initiated a trade. I have also initiated a trade. So I gave a trade when it was trading at 538 level, somewhere around 538, and I asked that we will go long at 520 to 510. So we got the entry, and this is it. Just a moment. Something like this was the case. Okay, so this is Tech Mahindra. Now again it is in the range. In case if it is closing above this level, right, then I can look for first target, which is 600, and the other is 630. So let's not talk about that target right now. I'm just waiting for the breakout. I'm just waiting for the breakout, and let's see. Again, this is also a position which I have created. I bought it somewhere around here. I'm still holding on to my trade. Right now, the current market price is 128. I bought it at around 132. The stop loss for the trade is 120. So I'm still holding. I'm expecting it to reverse back. Target is already given 165, 127, and the final target is 1 point, sorry, 189, somewhere around 190. So this is Varrock Engineering. This is the daily chart. This is a bullish Gartley pattern. I have also explained in my earlier video that how to trade this pattern. We have also seen the example that what this pattern does, right? So let's see, if we have a stop loss in place, we should not be worrying because there is always a risk involved. If you are looking for a very big target, you should be willing to take that small risk, right? So this was the update from my side about Varrock Engineering, about Tech Mahindra, about Torrent Pharma. I am holding all my three trades. I will initiate long on Amritanjan because I've just spotted it today itself. So let's see. I will update you from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.